Hey guys, we're just starting off on the camping or just barbecue, yeah. So yes, I'm riding my bike with my friend, Kundan. Wait, yeah, there you go. Yeah, so we're gonna just go there to the barbecue. Okay, as you can see, we're in my community. It's a little bit shaky, but I hope you don't mind. Hey bro, don't go ahead. Okay, my friend is basically trying to show off. Yeah, he's just trying to show off, man.
Classic drift.
Yeah.
Classic drift.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go camping somewhere right about here. So if you live in Heights of Novi, Michigan, you can go to this place.
What are you doing?
And yeah, so we're gonna. Hi, there's my friend.
Come follow me. Hello, guys.
Yeah, this is my friend. What will you tell them?
Wait, what? Last time, remember, I was in one video last time?
Let's go. Okay, you go where again? Okay, Kundan? Okay. This is the place. There's a cabin and stuff, and there's a grill. We got some things.
See?
So guys, let's go. This is my bike. Yeah.
It
looks cool, isn't it? So we're gonna do some fish barbecue, potato roast, and yeah, we're just gonna roast some bread. It's gonna be epic.
Bye-bye, guys. I'm going to play with my other friends. Let me do some wildlife viewing.
We're going to show you the beautiful unnamed lake. Yeah. We're not even joking. This lake has actually no name. Yeah, well, it might. Oh, stay apart. No. Oh wait, no. This is a different lake. Oh wait. I forgot. But this isn't a big lake. This is a mini lake. So guys, we're gonna make the fish marination. waiting the fish. Meanwhile, have some Coke. Yeah. So guys, the fire is peaceful and the insects are just gonna go away. And it's just starting out, we added some sticks. So we're gonna do the fish barbecue soon. So guys, the fish is finally ready, so let's taste it. Wow, it looks amazing, literally. Okay, let's take that piece. Wow, look at it, guys, this is amazing. Best barbecue fish. So guys, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this vlog. Yeah. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.